na, 5 minutes. Wala na tayong magagawa dyan.
Baba na lang natin yan.
Kia Sorrento trying to catch up. 4 minutes and 41 remaining. Pero it's a formidable 25-point lead para for Rain or Shine. And look at this tough shot mula rito kay Jericho Cruz. That's brought to us by DeWalt Power Tools. Guaranteed tough. You know, the first 2 games, yung nakikita natin, hirap talaga sa opensa. Itong Kia Sorrento. Scoring 66 points and then 55 points. So, 111 points in 2 games. And then ngayon, nasa 77 naman sila. So, hirap talaga makakuha ng puntos.
Well, they don't have scorers. That's it. You know, tapos Chele, one of their scorers, got his 3rd foul, got his 4th foul. They don't really have a lot of scorers. Yun ang problema nila. You got to make those kind of shots. They're open, you know. That's being set up by your teammate and you don't make it. Then the other team will hit you with a fast break or they really push the ball up.
Or a 3-point shot. Yan ang ginagawa ni Paulie to start this 4th quarter. Lumipad si Richie Alvarez sa pagbangga ni Big Bo Belga. Nakuha pa niya ang basket. Lead is up to 27. Was as big as 29 a while ago.
Hindi na nga rin nakabalik si Cervantes, di ba? One of their leading scorers, no?
Ito ang Mang Juan Pinoy play of the half mula kay Bo Belga. 100% galing ng Pinoy mula sa Mang Juan. Back with sarap ng Pinoy.
Ang daming klaseng tira ginawa ni Bo. Parang siya panggalit ko.
So, matailing-iling ba siya na parang foul doon? Humarang sa akin eh, wala bang foul? Eh, lumipad naman, binura naman niya sa eksena ito si Richie Alvarez. Richie Alvarez step back about 10-15 feet.
He just had a big smile on his face after. Hanggang dyan na lang ako, partner.
And Revilla, free throws na naman para sa kanya. He's up to 10 points. Si Whiteman almost carried that ball. And the pass tipped away. Richie Alvarez. Ni Gabe Norwood sa ating referee. Tapik palabas yun. And Dehesa's back in the game. You know, he fell a few minutes ago with a seemingly sprained ankle, but he seems to be okay.
Now they have a bigger lineup on the floor, especially in the backcourt.
Sa loob, bakbakan. Gabe Norwood, offensive rebound. And really, the Kia Sorrento front line has its work cut out for itself in every ball game.
They really don't have the height. But of course, yung addition ni Kyle Pascual may give them a little bit more. Belga having a field day here against a much smaller power forward in Rich Alvarez.
Parang ano, dali-dali ng buhay. Hook shot lang off the glass.
Oh, nice move there.
The teardrop doesn't fall para kay Dehesa. And once again, Rain or Shine is running. They're having fun. Stop and pop jumper, Bo Belga.
6 straight points para kay Bo Belga. Biglang 16 na siya ngayon. One of the leading scorers kasama sila Paul.
Distributed din ang scoring ng Rain or Shine. You know, even Jericho Cruz got into the act. Almazan as well. Padillas outside shot. Pasok yan para kay Alvin Padilla. 3 yun. 15 puntos na para sa kanya.
They only have 3 guys in double figures in this game. Cervantes and Lingana are the other 2. They have 82 points though. Pero 108 naman yung kalaban.
82 is their best showing so far. There's an offensive foul inside. Sinong matatawagan? Number 57, Raymond Almazan, called for the push. This is an astig move brought to you by Jack and Jill Iceman Candy. Ilabas ang tapang. Astig talaga eh. Yung mga galaw nitong si Paul Lee.
Parang 3 beses siya pinaul yun. He still managed to hold on to the ball.
Body control, no, to make the basket. Jeric Teng committing a foul. Nasa penalty. Ang Rain or Shine, so free throws yan. This happy moment is brought to you by Happy Mobile. Enjoying the action. Despite the big lead from Rain or Shine, the fans are relaxed here at the Big Dome. Pinanonood itong game na ito, an appetizer for NLEX kontra Barangay Ginebra, which follows after the 45-minute break in between games.
This is another thing that, well, of course, that's much anticipated It's another thing that Kia's got to work on. They got to make their free throws. If you're going to be sent to the free throw line and you have a problem scoring, you better make your free throws.
Tama yun. Nakamintis na sila ilang beses sa larong ito. And the same thing also, even in that win against Blackwater, marami silang namintis na free throws. Sa last 2 minutes na tayo sa drive, Padilla fouls Jeric Teng. This last 2 minutes is brought to you by Outlast Battery. Start agad. Yung nasa linya ngayon, Jeric Teng. Second year man na. Yung kabilis no? Parang kailan lang nag-rookie yan, but now he's in his second year. Hits the first out of 2 free throws. 2 for 2 for RoboCop Jr.
This guy's also a player, but the only problem is his advantage when he was with UST, the UAP, is different from what he has to face in the PBA. He cannot really post up a lot of the number 3s here in this league. That's his problem.
Tejesa's in trouble. Napasa, pumunta kay Ighalo. Ighalo trying challenge.
That's a violation because he didn't hit the ring. The shot clock, 24-second shot clock went off, so that's a violation. Well, Rain or Shine will pick up their second win against 1 defeat. They'll be in 5th spot right now, but more important is to pick up the wins.
Minute and 20 remaining. T.Y. Tang all the way to the hoop. And we'll say it, and we've said it time and again, we'll say it again. There's no last line of defense.
No, none
in
at
that
all.
Kia front line.
That is very close to zero. There.
Nakalampas ka na sa 50-foot line. Halos dire-diretso na rin sa basket. Finally, Carl Tejesa drills a three-pointer. As you said, they've set him up. Nakakailang beses na yan. Unable to make it drop. Finally got one.
Yeah, that's why I believe that in practice, you must be really making a lot of those. Because for you to have that as part of your play, that means the guy can shoot it.
Ayan na naman. To the basket. This time, Jeric Teng scooped it up. Chance for a three-point play yet again para sa Rain or Shine, the last 2 painters. 28-point lead.
Getting to be frustrating because you go back and look at the tape and you say, ano ba depensa natin when people drive to the basket? We cannot make a stop.
Pagkatapos ng aksyon sa hardcourt, walang lipatan para sa mga maaksyong balita sa Action Prime. Kasama mo si Tol Erwin Tulfo at Hepe ng News 5, Luchi Cruz Valdez. Susunod na yan pagkatapos itong laro na to. As Bo Belga will bring that ball. At medyo nagparamdam pa kay Alvin Padilla.
That's one of the few times that discretion is the better part of valor and the part of Pobelka. Buti hindi kayo kinanalo.
Huwag kang lalapit. Kalumapit. Jeric Teng once again into the lane, into the points of the paint, ballooning here para sa Rain or Shine as they keep getting easy baskets in that shaded area with 0 resistance mula sa Kia. Ito, alam hahawakan na lang ito ni Jeric Teng.
29-point victory here for Rain or Shine.
117-88 and 117 points have to be a concern para kay Coach Glenn Capasio. Ayun na nga, the buzzer goes off. Kia drops to 1 and 2. Rain or Shine up to 2 and 1 with a 29-point victory. Best player of the game, none other than Paul Lee, 22.4 rebounds in a comeback game.
Yeah, comeback only because he came off an injury, but there was no question about his ability to do what he wanted to do on the floor.
Yan ang ating final score, 117-88 as Rain or Shine takes this win on PBA Wednesday. So, dyan nagtatapos ang ating coverage ng ating unang laro ng Kia Sorrento kontra Rain or Shine, the last 2 painters. Tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang live streaming sa sports5.ph. Of course, may news break tayo sa TV5 at the game will also be there between NLEX and Barangay Ginebra. Ang gandang bakbakan niyan on behalf of my partner, Andy Howe, Mara Aquino, who was at courtside with us. Ako po si Charlie Guna. Thank you for joining and watching the PBA dito sa Sports 5.